Following a recent surge in COVID cases, weekly testing will soon be a requirement for thousands of county and city employees within JeffCo. The new public health order was approved by the health board earlier this week. It goes into effect November 1st. Connor McHugh joins us live at the health department tonight. So Connor, not every employee will have to get tested.
No, Karen, this is a testing requirement, not a vaccine requirement, but the county says any employees who are fully vaccinated or who work from home or remotely 100% of the time will be able to opt out. This is just the latest COVID-19 safety measure the county has put in place to combat what it is now calling a sixth wave of COVID.
It's not clearly trending down.
With yet another wave of COVID-19, new safety measures will soon be in place in JeffCo. Starting November 1st, weekly testing will be required for county and municipal workers.
These measures such as testing, the mask order that we put in place a week prior are proven strategies to help reduce the spread.
Greg Duranlo is president of JeffCo's Board of Health. He says the order does not apply to those who work 100% of the time at home. Same with fully vaccinated staff.
Being vaccinated is a way to comply with the current public health order, but it is not a vaccination requirement.
According to CDC data, the county has seen more than 1,100 new cases in the last week, enough to consider it at high risk of transmission. While the testing will be a big change for some departments, both the sheriff's office and JeffCo schools tell CBS 4 they've been doing it on their own for weeks.
We wouldn't have taken action with this order if we weren't hopeful that it would be effective.
The choice to require testing differs from cities like Denver, which instead require vaccinations. Duranlo says the board is hopeful vaccination numbers will still go up.
With this testing requirement, we would like to see businesses and other organizations take similar steps because at the end of the day, it will encourage vaccine uptake.
The order will remain in effect until the county is out of that high-risk category for 21 straight days. It is not required, just recommended that those tests be proctored. Live in JeffCo, Connor McHugh covering Colorado First.